Hello, I'm Dan Young. This video is prepared to help you understand why you should attend my talk, Second Law Effects on Climate Change. First, the world is operating in a severely biomass deficient state. This is demonstrated in my presentation. Second, the temperature of the world is controlled by an energy balance. When the energy coming in is equal to the energy going out, the average temperature of the world doesn't change. When the flow of energy is balanced in this manner, the average temperature of the Earth can be easily calculated. This is an elementary application of the first law of thermodynamics, and it has been used to describe the effects of climate change. But there's a second law of thermodynamics. It deals with order, or more correctly, disorder. How the average temperature of the Earth is distributed across the surface of the planet is determined by the second law. In very simple systems, with no discernible order or complexity, the state of disorder doesn't make much difference. But on a planet like the Earth, filled with complex ordered systems, the effects of the second law are controlling. The energy from the sun being rejected by the Earth drives the Earth toward ever-increasingly ordered states. This conclusion is consistent with Charles Darwin's observations of evolution, and it applies to the entire system, living and non-living portions of it. The difference between living and non-living systems seems to lie more in the fact that living systems are able to discharge the disorder that they generate, maintaining their tight internal order, while non-living systems are less capable of doing so. Through evolution, we have inherited the ability to survive in environments with a wide range of temperatures, but we are totally dependent on a very narrow and specific kind of order. All of these messages are consistent and compatible with ecological principles, but they are, in a sense, antithetical to the sustained, unlimited growth we've been encouraged to believe in. We need to create a new paradigm, including the literature and the values that honor the order in our surroundings necessary for our survival. We are not independent of our environment. We are nature's most complex organisms, and we exist in a steady state interaction with our surroundings. If we cannot maintain the order in our environment, we will not be able to sustain our own. Optimizing order production in the Earth's ecosystems is the most important objective for planetary sustainability. My presentation explains some of these phenomena. Thank you for listening.